Ever looked at somebody's work, job description, business plan, or anyone more successful than you and ever wondered, what is it that they have that I don't? Well, the answer is simple, not magic, not luck, not some intervention, but skills. Yes, skills. So today, I'm not going to get into any HR terminology or any technical stuff about it. We're just going to do it as basic as possible, okay? Okay, so what are skills? Let's start here. Skills are simply things you can do. Right, I'll repeat. Skills are simply things you can do. We learn these sometimes at school, in real life situations, when we're at work, when we're at friends, with family, sometimes without even realizing that, look, I'm getting a skill here. I'll give an example. If you can solve a problem, you have a skill. If you can stay calm under pressure, that's a skill. If you can communicate, if you can lead, if you can cook, that's still a skill. Those are all skills. Right. So everybody has some skill of some sorts. So think of skills like your personal toolbox. Right. The more skills you have, obviously, the more problems you can solve, the more value you can generate for yourself. And guess what? The more opportunities open for you. That's it, right? Yes. Let's all agree. So let's move on. Now, skills have got two broader categories. Yes, they can drill down further into different nitty-gritties and so forth, but broadly, they are either hard skills or soft skills. Now, the hard skills are what you can do skills. I will call them the what you can do skills. Can you do coding? Can you do data capturing? Can you do bookkeeping? Can you do housekeeping? Can you do accounting? Can you operate a machine? Can you drive? Those are the hard skills. These can be taught, these can be tested, and they are often visible. Right. Then the soft skills, I will call these ones the how you work skills. Examples for these ones are communication, empathy, how you feel for others, your leadership, adaptability, time management. Those are the soft skills. Right. Now, about the soft skills, I would say for me, these are what differentiates people in many cases. I'll give you an example. Driving, as an example, is a hard skill. We know somebody can drive, but how they drive is now a skill, right? When you get on a bus, you are confident to say, okay, the driver has got a driving skill. But a few kilometers or miles down the road, sometimes you may change your mind about their soft skills and you're like, I don't think this person has got empathy or this person has got, considerate skills. Right. That can happen. So soft skills are your style, your behavior, and your approach to things. All right. So that's the hard and the soft skills. So broadly, that's how we are going to classify them. So follow this through as well. Now let's move on to the levels. Not all skills are the same. Right. So you're not going to be a guru at everything. Skills grow in levels. You start from a beginner all the way to expert. Right. From a beginner perspective, when it's a skill proficiency level is said to be at a beginner level, you can follow instructions as an example. When it gets to an intermediate, now you can work without supervision or you can do the task yourself. You can exhibit that skill without any sort of guidance or assistance. When we get to expert level now, you are able to influence, innovate, guide, or create new methods, really. And I skipped another one, which is the advanced, which comes just before the expert, where you are able to teach others. So everyone starts somewhere as a beginner. Even the people that you admire today, they all started somewhere. So no pressure on you, but just understand that this is the journey. So basically, that's what skills are. Everyday abilities to your potential. Next episode, we'll explore why skills can literally change your life, your career, your story, and everything about you. All right. Thank you. Now, if you like this video, watch out for the next episode. Stay tuned, hit like, subscribe, share, put in comments and let us know what else you want us to cover, or if you've got any further questions as far as skills are concerned. Let's meet in the next episode.
To let the legacy shine, make your mark and be free. In a world full of